Good morning, good morning. All right, just got up like 5-10 minutes ago. This is the earliest morning that I've get up. It's 3:37 a.m. What's the weather like outside? 3:37 a.m. Well, the change is right here. It really thinks I live in Washington D.C. 36. Woohoo! It's cold outside. It's very cold outside. 36 degrees. 2 degrees Celsius. 2 degrees Celsius. Well, good thing we're inside. Warm in here. Alright, let's get back to our program. Last time I did the mapping. And I showed you how I map the query. Let's open up the application. Been a couple of days since I did that. But let's go in there. Right there. And there. Yep. So we're gonna take a look at this guy. We are going to take a look at this guy. And yeah, I went through all this code right here, making sure that I let me open up one of the modules. Module class. Where I want to open there you go, DB access. Well, actually, that's a grid. That's all right. I went through this guy and make sure that I add the DBO underscore in front of the table names. You can see there. So if I do that and show you, see there, right there. So I went through every single line. All right. And I ran through a couple of screens, and they all seem to be fine. So let's log in. Hopefully no barking here. No barking here. So that's actually coming from the backend here. Backend, okay, the SQL. All right, so let's see. But I brought you here because I told you last time that I was going to import import lottery, right? So, and I download these files right here. You see there? It looks like hold on here. Looks like oh, I need to convert these three guys into Excel files. So let's open this guy up. This one was already saved as Excel file. This CMS. Download this guy. So I'm gonna open that guy up. And obviously, you're gonna need to format this to your code. All right. So don't show this again. And if you look at the last time I uploaded this guy was back in September 2023, and this right here has a zillion of them. So what I need to do here, I need to go down to there, to this guy. So I'm gonna go to right here and click below it, select that. If I delete this guy, all right, it's going to highlight the bottom, the rest of the bottom. See there? Now I can delete the whole thing again. You see there? See, it just highlight the whole thing all the way to the end for me. Oh, nope, not yet. How that happened here? Let's try that again. I think I did that, and I came down like so, and it grabs. You see there? I have to delete all these right here. 1,000 something right there, or maybe more. I think that's just, yeah. So I'm gonna delete all that. I don't need that. I just need this portion here and up. All right. Like I said, in your Excel, you make sure you format or get the columns that's required. I don't need the first row. Delete. All right. So delete everything. I just need these guys. All right. I'm gonna save. Actually, you know what? I saved it in CSV. I will need to save in Excel. Save as in Excel. You see, right here at the top one. All right, just like this one right here. Save. All right, I'm gonna close that out. I think I got 2 more to go here. I think I have 2 more to go. Let's see. Did that one. Well, nope. That one I did on yesterday, and then I got tied up. 4 a.m. I did that one yesterday, 4 a.m. and then I stopped working. Went on to move on to do something else. But this right here, this is Lucky for Life. All right, so that's Powerball. Cash 5. I downloaded on the 13th. Now I need to do these 2 guys. Okay, let's do Lucky for Life. So this is CSV file, so I'm going to delete the top line. All right, and I'm going to need to insert 2 columns that's required. The first one is the ID for the record. The second one is the ID for the lottery type. So, and then we only need, oh, hold on, I got to see the date. We only need to go back to the end of August. Right here. That's what we need to do, and I'm gonna move all the way down. It's got a whole bunch of these guys right here, and we don't want that. All right, and these are the stuff that was in there with it when I downloaded from the website. So I'm gonna take that and delete there. All right, obviously if you look at that's the last date, but in our code it's not going to overwrite. In our code it's not going to overwrite, it's just going to omit this guy and start importing from here. So, but it's okay. All right, as long as we don't have to go through all 1,000 of them. All right, so let's save as. Yeah, I didn't do this. I just want to show you that when you do these things, you gotta, this would be the process of doing things in your code. All right, I'm gonna save it as this guy right there and save. And if all goes well, if we do not have any hiccups, we'll be fine. All right, let's do the last one. Let's see. We got Lucky for Life, Power, Cash 5. Okay, I did that Cash 5 yesterday too. I converted it to. So, but I need to double check on that. Let's double check on that guy yesterday. See there, I removed that. All right. so that's good right there. And let's do the last one right here. Make a million. Yep. There. Remove the top line. And insert 2 columns. One for the ID, one for the lottery type. And then go to the end of August right here, which is that guy. And then we're gonna go all the way to the bottom here. Delete. That looks good. Let's save as. And then I'm gonna select Excel. Alright, now before we import, I want to double check these guys right here, these 4 files right here at the real top here. Actually not that one, we're missing cache 5. Oh, we looked at cache 5 already. Let's double check. We want to make sure that we have all the stuff. Oh, there you go, see. Okay. Cache 5 2024. Got this date right here. I want to look at, yeah, something, feel like something's not right. I want to go back to old one that I imported. This guy right here. I imported way back back to 2016. It doesn't have the header on this one. See that we stop right there. Okay, so it doesn't have a header. Alright. Got me worried there, so maybe I need to delete this guy that I didn't. I thought I did. Alright. Let's save that. We're gonna find out if it works. Alright, so we got these guys 2024 downloaded yesterday, but I didn't do anything. I didn't even finish formatting. I had to do something else. Alright, let's try this. We're gonna go import, see if our import works. Go to North Carolina, and it's cache 5. Alright, so let me open this guy to let you know that we are working with the SQL Server in the back. That way you know if there are any changes. So in here I also went ahead and went through the tables. This is a new one. This is 20 what is it? This is version, the latest version 19.3 Studio. Last time that I used was 17. So everything is upgraded with this new machine. So far this machine, this laptop, the P50, is looking good. Anyways, let's take a look at this guy. So I went through and update this data type with the 36 characters. Now obviously if you want, you could use the unique, alright, but if you use unique or Access does not recognize that, you're gonna have issues with reading it. Okay, so but it's gonna give you the same number, but it has different bits of information, the front and the back, okay, which I'm not gonna go into that, but just realize that is similar. Unique identifier is similar to the ID that we have, all right, except ours is a string, that is a unique ID, it's different type. All right, so what I want to show you here is this one is from lottery draw, order by lottery date. I think it's called lottery date. No, date draw date. Draw date. And we're gonna go in reverse order. And you can see right there, all right. So these are all the grid that we create, except all grid is a string. All grid is a string. So far everything looks good. All right, so now we're gonna import, and then we're gonna select our files that we just finished, and make sure you select the right one. It's the D drive. And it is cache 5 right there. All right, it's a cache 5. Yep, right there, cache 5. So let's double click that. Something's not right. If we can find, obviously. I'm gonna do this because I know that is the well, let's see, hold on, I want to find out what is going on. If we can find the column field, the primary key, all right, and this guy, does it have a header or not? Is he header or no header? Let's look at this guy. Header, no header. Okay, good. We don't have header. Trying to think here. Here's a SQL. Admit. So what I want to do is, where do I use this guy? I'm gonna find where I use that guy. That's there. Okay, there, and in different one. Okay, so I know what to do. We don't need that one in there, so I'm gonna go back. What I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna highlight this guy, comment these two out because I don't need it there. All right, I'm gonna save. Let's continue. Okay, item still not found right here. All right, so, and this guy is key right here, but we don't know the column name. How are we gonna get that? Okay, hold on here. I'm gonna comment this out and find out how we are gonna get the column name here. I'm gonna drop that right there. Okay, so that first column is a column name. Okay, I think I got an idea. Alright, let's code this one. Alright, so we're gonna do this. If column is there, gotta come up with new ways of getting things. Now obviously this guy works with Access database table. However, with SQL it doesn't know. So we gotta come up with new ways of getting things done here. Alright, so you see what I did there? I noticed this guy right here is the first column. Alright, if column is 0, then key field is equal to all else fields column name. That's it. I think that's it. That's how we're gonna solve that issue. Alright, so I'm gonna go back here. Alright, I'm gonna go back to the top and comment that out and do exactly the same as this guy. So I'm gonna do this, copy. Alright, and then find this guy and fix that. Alright, so there. So we comment out that guy. Alright, yep, that's how it's gonna work. Yep, so we comment out this guy right here, which we don't need it. Alright, on that import, let's go to the next one, but this one too. Alright, let's find out what's going on here. Do we need this one in here? Nope, that's the only place that we need it. Alright, so I'm gonna comment that out. Let's go back to the top again and then remove these two guys. We don't need these two guys here. Alright, save. Let's continue. Alright, click F5. Looks like it's doing it. So you can come in here as that guy is importing. You can run this guy. You see. Oops. There. You see there? Good. Oh, that was easy. That was easy to do. So now in the Access, I used that right here. Let me show you. I use this guy to identify the field, the primary key. Well, in Access, it does not recognize that. All right, but when it doesn't, you have to come up with different ways of getting that name. All right, so that's how that works, and it imported correctly. All right, let's do the second one. All right, so let's go to Lucky for Life. So I'm just showing you that, hey, you know, this is debugging stuff. That looks like it's doing it. And these right here should change to imported draws for Lucky for Life successfully. While that guy is doing that thing, did we stop somewhere? We shouldn't have any stop anywhere here. While that's doing that, I'm going to make a coffee. I need to make coffee. I need to go make coffee. Alright, did it get done? Did it get done? I just put coffee in a pot there. Alright, let's do the next one. So see how you imported correctly there. So let's select Mega Million. Alright. Mega Million, which is this file right there. Double click. I still don't know why that ticket does not recognize the selected language, so I need to debug that. But this is what you would do. You would go through all the forms, make sure that it runs the same way as it did using the Access database. While that guy's doing that, I'll see if I can come over here and do this. See there? That's the latest. You see, that's the latest, which we don't even know which one this is. So I can do a link join here, inner join, lottery type. All right, be on lottery type. You see there, equals. And now we can say lottery type name and everything on the A, the cache 5. So now I can do this, copy that, where a lottery type equal, like so. Now we see all the 5s. See there? And that was the latest one. Let's see lucky for life. So now to do lucky for life, I need to comment that out and copy lucky for life ID here. This guy there, copy, come over here and comment that out. Is this ID in there? And that's lucky for life. Look at that. Alright, I think this guy, yeah, when then it's gonna ding for us. Gonna comment that guy out. I need to find out if the Mega Million is done, so I'm gonna copy this guy. Mega Million is up to right there. That's the latest one right there. Take a look. Mega Million's done. You see there? So let's now do the last one. Powerball. So I'm gonna select Powerball here. We don't see Powerball anywhere. It's there. It's gotta be further down. Right here. That is ID right there. I'm gonna copy that. Undo that. Put the Mega Million ID in there. That's the Mega Million. You see there? It's 9/11/2023. So if we do import, we need to select Powerball right there. And while that guy is doing that, we can do execute. You can see there, it's beginning right there. It's done. It's quick. It's done. See there? It's done. That's a small file. They only draw that twice a month. Let's see, 3 times a week. Mega Million is 2 times a week. Mega Million is Tuesday, Friday. Yeah, 2 times a week. This is 3 times a week. So we got all that done. We can come back in here and take a look. There. Before we had to query back to September. That's dandy. Now let's take a look at the analysis too. There's analysis too. Look at that. Look at that. You see how that is so cool. So this is a predicted number, auto-generated number. auto-generated number from these previous numbers, from these last 4 jobs. So this is what happens. So this is these right here, auto-generated numbers right here comes directly from here. All right. Now, if we want to get more numbers, we just go back like so. Watch. All right, and that guy refresh with different numbers. Now it includes all these numbers to auto-generate these numbers. You see there? Pretty. Yeah. How did I come up with the numbers? Based on these numbers is based on the most frequent number. Alright. And these are the unique numbers, meaning these numbers right here come directly from here. So if we look at 2, there should be 2 there. And let's see there, 3. There should be somewhere here, 3 there. Alright. So out of these numbers right here, alright, this guy made a prediction based on the repeated numbers. These numbers are based on the most frequent number from here. Alright. Now if they are not repeated numbers, then that number is still being used. Alright. But it would pick out the most frequent number from this set. Alright, so obviously there are 32 here, and there are going to be more here. See, there are 5 there, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30 right there. After that, it's only 30. That means there are some repeated numbers in here, you see. And out of here, you got 11 and 11 there, 19, 19 there, 20. Well, that one's yeah, that's another one. 37 there. So there are repeated numbers in here, but this is just kind of scattered out the unique. All right. So that's how the auto-generated numbers happens. Now I look at the sum. Here's a sum of the most sum of the numbers drawn. All right, and I look at how many odds or how many evens. This one's got 3 evens, 1, 2, and 3, and 2 odds. So, and then the gap. The gap means the gap between these 2 guys is 5. Gap between this 11 and 19 here is 8. The gap between these 2 guys is 1. And the gap between the 20 and 29 is 9. You see there? These are the gaps. So, but here, even, odd. All right. Now why they're red? They're hot. Yeah, the red means, no, actually the red means there are 3, either 3 evens or 3 odds. All right. It's real unlikely you have 5 odds or 4 odds. Okay, or 5 evens. But these are the these are this. Now if I want to create a new ticket, then all I have to do is click on this one, create. Oh no, let's create new set. Now create ticket, I have to do this. Don't forget to save. When you're done with selecting, save is going to create our ticket for us. Alright, so I just say, see there, that one changed to a save ticket right there. So now I'm just going to select, oh yeah, that key field right there. What happened there? Debug. What's going on? What's going on? Selected. Where is this guy? Form selected. Refresh form. container. So let's look at main container here on the main. I bet you that's problem right there. Well, let's take a look. Let's take a look. What's going on there? We were on a roll there. This is main navigation. And that one was the analysis 2. Let's see, analysis 2, lottery analysis 2 right there. And we're looking at the refresh ticket pick. Refresh ticket pick. We're looking for refresh ticket. Do we have one? Right there. Right there. There's a problem with that one. So now we gotta look at the form. We're gonna look at the form. Lottery 2 underscore ticket. Pick this guy. Alright. It says something in here is not right. So I'm gonna comment out this guy. I'm gonna put a stopper right there. And do that again. Select. Hold on. Need to continue with this one. Alright, end. And you can select, it doesn't go there. Object. Okay, so anytime you anytime I'm gonna redo that one because something's not right. I'm gonna redo. I'm gonna move away and come back. Alright. Gonna move away and come back, and I'll go ahead and because it's problem there, I'll see if I can. It doesn't even go there. Alright, so I'm gonna do that. F8. Continue. The expression you refer to is closed or does not exist. That means it says that the lottery, the ticket form does not exist. What the heck? It says that guy doesn't exist. Alright. So I'm gonna find out what's going on this analysis. But anyways, I'm gonna fix that later. I'm not gonna bore you with what I'm doing. Alright. But that's what you would do. That's what you would do. I think everything looks fine, other than that little kinks that we have there. These 3 guys here. Let's see if it updates it. I'm gonna select that guy. Update. Which one is that? That's Powerball. I'm gonna cancel that. Let's see if I can make this guy. This is the lottery pool. I'm gonna make that guy. We're still working it. Alright, see if that saves. It's in progress. You see there? It's in progress. I'm gonna bring this back right here. It's not ended. It's still active. Look at that. It's still in progress. Alright, everything looking good. Everything is looking good other than that guy right there. I need to find out what's going on there, because we gotta be able to make tickets here. Alright, we need to be able to select here. Okay, that's that. So this is the titles of the admin. Let's import lottery language. Alright, so, but yeah, let's take a look at these guys. See if this guy works. Again, it's been so long. Alright, let's look at lottery pool. Let's view lottery pool. Look at that. We got a report for these guys. Lottery pool. How about lottery? Look at that. We got 5 lotteries. How about members? Uh-oh. Now that's weird. Oh, you know what? I bet you I click on the PDF. I bet you I click on the PDF. Yep, PDF. Alright, so you can do view there. Yep, these are the members. Member ID, you know that it's active. Now the ticket right here, we can select one of these guys. Well, I have no idea. I think I did something in. Let's look at the end of August 23 and back to August. Do we have anything in there? Let's take a look. Oh, get number of records. Okay, this is good. See there, the query. It does not know. It doesn't have DBO in front. It doesn't have DBO in front. So I need to go through that. But I just want to show you that importing the lottery ticket. I mean draws. If you code it right, alright, you're gonna have to do some adjustment when after you are converted to the SQL Server database. Alright, some things that work in the Access will not work in the SQL Server. Just like I showed you. We had to let's see, where was it? Excel. We had to fix a bunch of these. Well, not a whole bunch. Just have to remove that guy and be a little clever to find out, hey, if you column 1, then you are ID. And so you column, designing your table, database table, make sure you put the primary key on the first column, always. Alright? And that makes life easier. Alright, I learned that way back when. Always put the always make the first column a primary key. And that's why I code that way and makes it easier. Alright, there you have it. Happy programming. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe, like, share, and hit that bell. And also comment below, and if you need help, inbox me. Thanks again.